Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This week we are opening up Harry Potter Funko Mystery Minis and we have 2 Harrys and 1 Hermione. So let's hope for something else. So let's really hope for Luna or Bellatrix. Or then we have to get more of these. That wouldn't be too bad, wouldn't it? So let's see. It's not anyone with sorting hats. And we have... Oh, it is Luna! That is so awesome! I just love Luna. She is adorable. I'm so happy to get Luna. That's awesome. Thank you so much for watching and please tune in for tomorrow's video when we will be opening up our last Harry Potter Funko Mystery Mini of this week. Thanks for watching. Bye!